Hey guys, here's my new homemade product, Top Corner. Look for memorabilia. Look for 1 Plexi Auto per box. 3 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. Okay. There's the cover. Ovechkin on front. Packs. First pack. Top Corner. Ryan Miller base. Zach Parise base. Filler. And a Youth of the Nation rookie card of Drew Doughty. This one's numbered, or these ones are unnumbered. Here's the base cards. And a filler piece of junk. Next pack. Corey Perry base, Ovechkin base, filler, and a checkmates of Hemsky and Kodalik. Next pack. This one's a thick one. We have a Brian Little base, filler, and a nice card here. A clear-cut inscriptions of Louis Eriksson. It's a plexiglass with his auto at the bottom. It's a nice card. Next card. Last pack. Second pack. Finnegan on base. Kiprusoff base. Upper deck. Filler. Blackout Patrick Kane. 6/99. Last pack. Another thick one. Andre Kopitar base. A 6 stitches of Ryan Getzlaf. It's a nice card. It's a jersey. And Jonathan Toews Intense Inscriptions. So that's it, guys. Here's the hits. 6 stitches, Youth of the Nation, Doughty, checkmates, Hemsky and Kodalik, Intense Inscriptions, Louis Eriksson, Intense Inscriptions of Jonathan Toews, and a blackout 6/99 of Patrick Kane. Here's all our base, and that's the Edge 0809 Top Corner.